I think we need single theatres.
You're talking this from a money point of view.
Multiplexes, yeah, but
Cheaper ticket.
yes, we need cheaper tickets. हमारे actual audience वही है, वही रिक्शा वाले, वही taxi वाले. If my driver, my staff wants to go for a movie, they have to pay 4,000 to 5,000 rupees for a movie. How can they do it?
You're the government.
I am everything. I am producer. I am actor. Now I am government.
Why are we talking to the camera? I'll talk to you. Aren't you holding some position in BJP?
In BJP, yeah. What was trending on your show is that producers complain about actors getting the entire entourage. But these same producers sign the same actors because they come with a
that's your
stand.
point.
कोई भी superstar का मंदिर बना है बॉम्बे में, बॉलीवुड में.
No, I don't think so. You think she'll get into this?
She wants to become a criminal lawyer.
Wow.
But
It's because of the effect of Bollywood.
I don't know.
Alright, finally a pretty face. And not just me. Isha Kopikar is here.
Hi.
Hi, Isha.
You're pretty too.
Sweetie. And I don't know if you'll remember, but we've done a lot of interviews and stuff about 15-20 years ago.
Yes.
When I worked in that horrible music
MTV.
channel. Yeah.
Yes. Horrible music channel.
They treated us very badly, honestly.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You guys would come with trailers and all that, and I would come in a rickshaw.
But I treated you very well.
You were very nice. Very nice. I've got nothing bad to say.
I don't know about the rest.
Yeah, and that they don't matter. This show is not about MTV. MTV, just get to the side, which is about you. But we'll get into your life because it's your show. But we'll start at the top because there's this trend going around, or I won't say viral or whatever it is, about entourages. And, a lot of people have a wrong idea or right idea of Bollywood. And you're really from there. So what's your view on this whole entourage and actors with lots of people and the producers having to suffer it? Is it true? Is it not true? What's your experience?
Well, it's true, but I think everybody is quite, I'm talking about producers here, they know what they are getting into. So when an actor starts his journey, probably the same producer would have signed him for less and lesser demands.
You mean when he's lesser known?
Lesser known, yes. And probably that particular actor might become a superstar one day.
Correct.
And then he demands more. Now, when the producer signs the actor, he knows what he's getting into. So, then if he gets an entourage, or if he gets a village, or if he's asking for chefs and gyms and whatever that he's asking for, you pretty much know what you're getting into, is what I feel. I think that the fault is in the system. I think producers should be aware of what they're getting into, and content should be king. And I think content stands pretty much alone on its own. No superstar can make a super hit film without good content. Nobody can save it. If the content falls, you probably get a Friday, Saturday, Sunday because they have their built-in fans, fan base. And because I think they can get some star value in the form of streams or in the form of the project trending. But other than that, what? I'm an actor. Still, I want to speak the truth. If the content is not correct or if it is not good,
but let's take the actors,
I can't save it.
Let's take the actor side for 1 second. No? Supposing you take away, out of his 5 trailers, you take away 2. Gym ka and maybe the extra friend ka. It might affect his performance. That final monologue, it might be 20% less than what it should have been or whatever.
Ensemble also matters. Like, for example, I just saw what did I see yesterday? I saw Jolly LLB.
Which part? 3?
The new one now. And I loved the performances by the others in the, by Saurabh. Yeah, all of them. It is not only about Arshad or it's not only about Akshay. It's about the entire, the ensemble of actors.
Yeah.
But right now, what is trending on your show is not the ensemble.
Then?
It is, what was trending on your show is that producers complain about actors getting the entire entourage. But these same producers sign the same actors because they come with a stand.
That's your point, Isha.
They come with a stand.
Ultimately, the bad student has followed the class.
No. I'm not speaking on behalf of either a producer. I'm turning producer.
Isha, give us names. That's great actually when you're an actor and a producer, because then you're speaking from both sides.
Yes.
Otherwise you're not
so if I'm sure, if you ask me, Isha, as a producer, then I think the first thing that would save my film is content.
I want to go back to what you just said for a second. We won't take names, don't worry. So what you're saying is
don't make me say things out of
producer के पास ये जानकारी है कि this guy is a spoiled brat and whatever. But he still signs him on. That's your point, right? He still signs him on.
Yeah,
So the fault is the producers in that sense
Yeah.
because you know exactly what you're getting
But the
into.
producer still signed him.
He
Why?
still signed.
Because
Why?
he knows he can get in.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday ka.
Get some. The project becomes trending. You have sponsors. You have people who want to fund it.
Give me the pen. Dear Sanjay Gupta, I'm sending a message. Isha, would you
Then
like?
why is a producer wanting to sign that particular superstar? How many careers have been made? Tell me, launched with great scripts and great content. So many people have. I can give you names. For example, Ashiki. Rahul Roy,
Yeah.
Anu Agarwal.
Yeah, fantastic,
Okay?
yeah.
Pardes,
And
Mahima.
from nowhere that movie came.
Mahima Chaudhary.
Yeah, Pardes. Yeah.
Okay, Ashiki now. Not Ashiki, sorry, Sayara now.
Sayara, correct.
So if the script is good, if the music is good,
Yeah.
and if
Not
probably the director knows the pulse of the audience,
Yeah.
I think scripts can work.
Correct.
And no bad content no superstar, can save a film if the content is bad.
True.
3 दिन चलेगा, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We are not South. Now, South is, I'll tell you.
My God, it's like a lecture now, Isha. I'll come back in 10 minutes.
No, don't come back. Wait, I worked in the South.
You've a lot
The
of work in the
entire South industry.
The culture is a little different.
Yeah.
As in?
यहाँ मंदिर दिखे क्या? आपने किसी के मंदिर दिखे इधर पे?
I know.
कोई भी सुपरस्टार का मंदिर बना है बॉम्बे में, बॉलीवुड में?
No, I don't think so.
वहाँ हर एक
Have we
हीरो
got any
और
Bollywood
नहीं है
superstar
यार,
का मंदिर?
नहीं है. क्या पूछ रहे हो?
There
पता
might be,
नहीं
there
क्या?
might be.
नहीं है. So
विजय
यहाँ
जी का है.
मेरा पता नहीं.
Born
बन
in
जाएगा, बन जाएगा.
There'll be Isha Street.
तथास्तु. But South में बनता है ना. Every actor, actresses have their
What is their deal with trailers and all? I mean, I don't know if you ads there and.
trailers मतलब.
Do they demand like this, the South stars?
I'm sure they do, but they're.
Producers
I've not
king?
seen anybody. Yeah, I've not seen anybody here standing at 5 o'clock in the morning trying to buy a ticket. I have seen in the South. They wait in lines. They have single theaters here. हमारे single theaters खत्म हो गए.
More or less.
Finished. We have multiplexes. If my driver, my staff wants to go for a movie, they have to pay 4,000 to 5,000 rupees for a movie. How can they do it?
Government.
There.
You're the government.
I'm everything. I am producer. I am actor. Now I'm government.
Why are we talking to camera? I'll talk to you. Aren't you holding some position in BJP?
In BJP, yeah.
Proper.
Yeah, not really position. Right now in the ladies' transport wing. Yes.
But that's a position.
Yes,
So lady
but-
transport wing means what complaint can I come with you?
You're not a lady, so you can't come with a complaint.
That's my complaint. Isha, that's my complaint. I'm not a lady. Lady transport wing means the
नव भारत शिव
station.
वातुक संगठन. स्टेशन क्या होता है?
The रेलगाड़ी.
रेलगाड़ी नहीं होता. ट्रांसपोर्ट से रेल है क्या? रिक्शा ट्रांसपोर्ट
really
नहीं
bullying
है. रिक्शा ट्रांसपोर्ट है,
slowly.
बस ट्रांसपोर्ट नहीं है, टैक्सी ट्रांसपोर्ट नहीं है, एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट नहीं है.
Okay, so all these.
All these, yes.
But then what is the ladies thing? The compartment
So
in train, I
basically,
understand, but
pink
beyond that.
taxis ho, yeah, trying to skill lady drivers.
Oh, I like lady drivers. I mean, not in a dirty way, yaar. Guys, come on.
Yeah, I like.
I'm all for it. I'm just saying
Yes.
it's an option that you have female drivers, there are male drivers sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because a lot of times people, like
Why-
how you're getting bullied by me,
Yeah.
others also get bullied by
I'm
others.
used to it. But is it unsafe to be a female driver? Is that the issue?
See, normally night shifts, they kind of have a problem, but otherwise I
Because
don't
Abhay
think
sir
there's
and
a
all
problem.
travel in the night.
You?
Show a picture of Abhay sir.
You?
I'm asleep at 8:30 unless I'm getting paid to do
8:30?
work. 8:30, 8:40.
All Babas do this.
Not
no?
Babas. Baba Ramdev is my guru.
Not Baba,
No, but
Parsi.
I'm saying Baba. No, not Baba. I don't drink now, so there's no point.
So
staying.
people who don't drink sleep at 8:30.
What will I do? I don't want to go to a party and be that guy who used to make fun of when I was drinking. You know, when we were drinking, there's always one joker who's standing in the room and just you can see he's uncomfortable. Because when you drink,
So do
everybody
I
else-
also sleep early because I'm a half Baba?
You're half Baba?
I was in JB Vacha.
JB
no?
Vacha.
Yeah.
Grew up in a Parsi school.
Yeah.
She's doomed.
Why am I doomed?
Do you do what we all do? You shut switches in houses and
Oh
all
yeah,
that?
that's a Baba thing.
Yeah, of course.
I
I've
thought
done it.
that was an OCD.
I've done it in weddings and all.
But I thought that was an OCD.
No,
OCD, all
that
Babas have
capacity
OCD.
of OCD is... Come on, yaar.
Then I'm doomed.
Yeah, you're doomed. You're doomed. There are small
I do
things.
that, yeah.
Shutting doors
now
all
to
the
an
time.
extent where my
Yeah.
staff is habituated to this, and when I'm sitting in the room, they put the light off. I'm like, hello? They put the fan off. I'm idhar बैठी हूँ.
Wow.
It's become like that.
I think it's a fabulous thing. We'll save so much electricity over the entire
Years.
globe. Look at the globe. If everybody did that, I know 2% ki baat hai in all this, but if everybody collectively does that, you save a lot.
Yes.
Right or no?
Yes.
See, we are far thinking people. Let's go
Yes.
back to our first subject. We ran
Yes.
away from it.
Yes.
The producer. So now you're turning producer.
Yes, I'm turning producer. And as an actor, I think it's my responsibility to think what actors should do, behave, and not do. Do's and don'ts for actors. And I think it is very important for us actors also to understand that it is very important that we need to make successful films. We should carry that kind of responsibility. I'm not saying don't charge more, but I feel there has to be a limit.
There are two people to blame, no? When you talk about charge, it's I'll ask for any amount of money. If you're willing to pay, then whose fault is it?
If there's a studio who says actor को ले आओ, हम कुछ भी करने के लिए तैयार है, flop film बनाने के लिए तैयार है, कुछ भी हो ले आओ.
So the fault is everybody, like you said in the beginning.
फिर ले
It's
आओ,
not.
फिर कोई problem नहीं है. You understand? But then I come from a time where 20 years ago there were producers who used to sell their houses. सब गिरवी रख के फिल्में बनाते थे. इतना passion था. I'm not saying do that.
But you worked with all these big stars. You worked with Shah Rukh. You worked with Sanjay Dutt, Sunil Shetty.
Yes.
All these guys.
Yes.
So you've seen everything.
I've seen everything.
So now,
but I'll still tell you. I'm not going to
them.
name. You get lost. I'm not naming.
Over budget किसने किया?
मैं कुछ नेम कर रहे मेरे को इधर बकरा मत बनाओ तुम्हारे शो को के टीआरपी के लिए.
She want to talk about it.
I wanted to talk about it, but I don't want to name nobody.
Okay, fair.
है ना?
No, but you were very
समझदार को ईशा ही
Parsi school, very diplomatic in the beginning. She said it's a system. It's everybody's fault.
Yes.
But you can't just blame the actor. Actor wants to behave like a spoiled kid and have 5 trailers. It's his problem.
Yeah.
So why are you giving it?
Yes.
Simple.
Why are you giving it? तुम लोग रूल बनाओ ना, हम इतना ही पैसा देंगे, इतने ट्रेलर्स देंगे, इतना फिर उस एक्टर को लेना नहीं लेना. एक्टर 1 साल 2 साल 4 साल 5 साल घर पे बैठेगा. उसके बाद क्या? उसको उसके इतने करोड़ से लेके इतना करोड़ लेके फिर फिल्म करना ही पड़ेगा.
Correct.
तो फिर wait
for failure.
No, producers wait and don't complain.
Yeah.
Wait. If you want to sign that actor, that means you don't have faith in your own content, is it?
No, also, all producers should work in the same manner. No? Then there's no question of this happening. Sooner or later, somebody spoils. It's like how you spoil the child. One parent spoils the child. It's like that. It's exactly that.
Yeah.
And then that spoils the entire
Spare the
market. I'm trying to explain to them. I read a whole page on you just a few days back in a paper about being a mother and raising a child and all that.
Yeah, I have a beautiful daughter.
I know.
How old is your daughter?
She's 18. I have a son also.
Okay.
He's also a beautiful daughter.
I just hope both are. I hope they're not like you, both of them.
I mean, how to answer that question? Yeah. They both scratch a lot. So, I mean,
scratch a lot.
I'm a scratcher.
You're a scratchy.
I'm a horrible. Yeah, women used to get really turned off. I'm that guy, in the bus who's scratching everywhere without knowing. Indian male can scratch his groin. No, you can scratch your groin thinking that there's nothing. I'm doing nothing wrong. Like it's completely innocent movement and behavior.
I didn't know this. I never noticed this about you.
Haven't noticed?
No. Even now, I'm not in the last 20 minutes.
I'm trying not to scratch. I kept my hands here. If my hands go anywhere else, I'll be scratching. I have a guy below who I scratch all the time. Hey, Bunty, ready? Sorry, that was wrong. Kairos, control. So where were we? So finish the producer bit.
How much more to finish? I've already finished.
No. So you're going to turn producer as in the film is ready? You've got some...
No, film is ready. I've just got great scripts in the bank.
Yeah.
As in I'm building a
Which
bank
you said in the
of
beginning.
good content. Is king.
This is the way of the cultures around us.
You look at Money Heist. You look at Squid Game. You look at Gangs of Wasseypur. You look at Mirzapur. उसमें कौन स्टार था मुझे बताओ. But look at the
too many actors to name also.
जो भी है. But आप बताओ. It's not impossible. It's just that I think we are just getting lazy.
Yeah, you're right. Simple formula, get big star, female actors.
अरे बड़ा स्टार ले लो, हम प्रोजेक्ट बनाने के लिए तैयार है. ठीक है, फिर बनाओ, फिर कंप्लेन मत करो. फिर दो पैसे उड़ाओ.
So you've got you've not started active production yet.
No, I'm not started active, but I have people backing me up.
But I hope you're still acting.
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
I've just started once again.
Yeah.
I mean, I've done South films and all that. I took a huge sabbatical for about 10 years. I got married, had Rihanna and all that. Can't do.
Isn't Rihanna a famous pop star?
Yeah, this one also will be.
You named her after Rihanna?
No. It was just that my mother thought of this name and it was Rohit R and Isha I.
Okay.
So and then Timmy wanted a international name. So it just happened, yeah. Mummy
sounds Parsi also, but I know
Rihanna sounds more...
male version. Rihanna is very...
It's also Muslim, I think. It's
Muslim,
international,
Parsi,
yeah.
Rihanna, fair enough. So you want to talk about motherhood right now? Because I
Whatever
got
you
ADHD, so I'll forget.
Yeah? Ask. I'll write it down for you.
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Can you only take over
But
the
I need
interview?
a pen also, no?
Boss, this is a low budget place. We got paper mushkil se. Abhi pen kahan se aayega? Don't ask for everything. Typical spoiled brat. Honestly.
इतना भी लो बजट नहीं प्रोड्यूसर के साथ काम करना है मुझे.
अच्छा, after all this talk.
कि पेन नहीं हो. कल बोलो कि सेट पे खाना नहीं है, ये देखो गर्म पानी दिया है, कॉफी भी नहीं दिया है.
I'll slap you. She demanded it. How did she say this? Isha is being a very bad girl.
I know, I call it sense of humor.
Yes. I got no interest in that. I just want to finish my work and go to sleep. That's it.
That's all you do? You're such an owl.
No, I don't sleep much. I just like to lie on my back for some reason. I move a lot. If we are discussing this, I do move a lot, like a prawn.
Do your 10,000 steps a day?
No, Baba, wo nahi karega yaar. It's too much. I don't like cardio. Never liked it. It's so boring and
It
monotonous.
is, and do
yaar.
Zumba I've started. It's amazing. Today was Bollywood Zumba.
But Zumba,
in the
then
gym.
the music, you'll start fighting over everything and all,
Why
know.
would you fight over music?
Because I don't like this, you don't like that. I mean,
You go to a class, group class, you don't have a choice.
yeah, but then you got to have that positive energy in your head.
Yeah,
you know?
I do.
I'll go there and I'll be like, no, AC is to make it colder. You know, from there only it goes wrong.
Very bad. Spoiled.
So you're doing Zumba,
Like
is
the
it?
spoiled actors.
Yeah. If I was superstar, I'd have 9 trailers. One trailer I'd have just empty.
The people who come with 11. 9 kuch nahi
Ooh,
hai.
11.
I don't know.
Pencil! names.
No names, please.
11 says swear 11.
Swear 11.
You're not making this up. There's a guy who's taken 11 trailers to a set.
Yeah.
What the?
Do they do with it? One is for a chef, one is for a gym, one is for a meeting, one is for himself or herself. I don't think there are many herselves who do that. There are more himself who do that.
Yeah. It's ridiculous.
It's ridiculous.
And then I heard this
It's
story
ridiculous,
that-
and it's very ridiculous that producers are willing to do this.
And then you look at the alpha god, Amitabh Bachchan, who apparently doesn't even take conveyance, which even we take, at least I took. Whenever.
Now, this I'm not sure, but
No, he pays his own driver and all, apparently.
yeah.
Yeah.
See, that's
Another
amazing.
world
That's why he is
altogether.
who he is,
Yeah.
where he is, yes.
So the producers, little paisa.
And even at this age, people want to work with him.
Yeah. I would save even more money and drive my own car. That's another story altogether. Yeah.
You are different. This is one Kairos.
JB Vacha. And then where do you go after that?
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Yeah.
Oh, you're a South Bombay girl only, totally.
Yeah, total.
And after Jai Hind?
After
Well,
Jai-
let's go. Now look at your life.
I was in 4 colleges in 5 years.
Ruya, you were in also.
I was in Ray. That was last year. Before that, I was in Ruparel because I wanted to become a doctor. Before that, I was in SIS because I was a state level basketball player.
Wow.
Yeah.
Everybody comes on the show as a state level basketball player.
Who?
Neetu Chandra said the same thing.
I thought she was a taekwondo,
Oh, you also taekwondo?
black belt.
Jesus Christ, yeah, what's going on, man? I'm losing my head.
Why do you get all these kind of girls?
Basketball and taekwondo, both of you all.
Yes.
Oof. I have to check if she's doing Zumba class. Just message
Yeah,
her.
yes.
That's
If she
it.
wants to become a producer.
She is a producer.
Oh, God.
She's producing a lot of films in Bihar in the local dialects now.
Okay.
In Bihari and all that. Yeah,
Okay.
Bhojpuri and things like that. She's trying to promote her culture.
Culture.
Yeah.
That's great.
But the way Isha said it.
What?
Okay.
What did I
Let's
say?
move on. Let's
No,
move
no,
on.
what did I
Before
say?
you slap me, I don't want
No,
to
I
say.
will, but what did I say? Sorry, I won't, but what did I say?
You
What
said
did I
that's
say?
great.
That's what's great.
It's okay. Now I'm sweating. You're making me sweat. Don't make me sweat. I sweat too much. Where were we? Let's go back to your early years. You were in college. Why 4 colleges?
State level basketball player, so SIS. After that, wanted to become a doctor, so Ruparel. After that, didn't want to become a doctor, so Jai Hind. After that, I didn't get
You
my...
dropped out of Ruparel after starting medicine?
Because I didn't get 98.
Science, huh?
I just got some 94, 93%.
What a show off.
So yeah, you asked for it.
I got 67.
Oh, very bad.
And my dad thought, damn good for this idiot.
So then, yeah, so I didn't want to become a doctor like the others in my family.
Oh, you're all doctors?
My fathers, everybody, all Kopikars are doctors. For the longest time, I thought all Kopikars were doctors and non-doctors
Have
were
you
Kopikars.
played a doctor in a movie?
Not yet.
Oh.
So then, where was I? You talk too much.
Yeah. You were in Ruparel. Then you said, I don't do medicine. So you came to Jai Hind.
Yeah.
And you did
Jai
what?
Hind, I did
Arts?
life sciences.
Which is...
I'm a beauty with brains.
Oh.
So life sciences, and then
You're
after
a beauty with
that,
brains. I don't have either.
Oh God!
horrible paradox.
Why were you born?
I don't know. My mom and dad ask that all the time.
I love you.
So, no. So Jai Hind, what is life sciences? Remind me.
Life sciences is
Animals.
No, genetic engineering, microbiology, horticulture, zoology.
Why do you become an actor? I mean, there's such a nice future.
Yeah, but a lot of engineers have also
Yeah,
from
that's true.
engineering on and from
Too many people
school
have
of-
switched
of
from MBAs.
economics
Yeah,
and this and that
God.
university. Yeah, so it's fine. I guess it's. So then, where?
No, you went Jai Hind, you're doing life science. That's the last one, right?
Yeah, no. Then I'll tell you. Life sciences. After that, in the last year they didn't have life sciences for TYBSc. They had zoology.
Okay.
They didn't have life sciences
They switched
to
to
major.
zoology,
Yeah.
okay, yeah.
And if I had to switch to zoology, then in the dissection there was lizard, and I get
Yeah, a frog and all that. I remember all this. Yeah.
कुछ भी काटूंगी, lizard को नहीं काटूंगी.
It's live.
Yeah, live? No, how can you cut a live lizard?
I don't know. I'm not a zoologist.
No, I mean some, but hello. फ्रॉक क्या
I-
इधर से उधर उड़ते हुए फ्रॉक को कट करेंगे
I'm a
क्या?
loosologist.
इसको क्या हुआ है भाई? इसको कुछ खिलाओ पिलाओ.
Bro, I have to study the subject to know, na? How do
so
I know?
then, नहीं हमको सिखाया जाता है कि उड़ते हुए फ्रॉक को पकड़ो, उसके बाद रखो, उसके बाद मारो, उसके
Are you
बाद
being sarcastic?
yes I am. So then
We're low budget college. You don't have
and then
anyone.
there
मेरे को क्या मालूम है?
and then there were rats.
हाँ.
So everything is fine.
You had to dissect rats?
Yeah, but the only thing I didn't want to was lizard. So then I switched to instead of taking zoo, I went to Ruya for life sciences, and that's it. I finished.
Then you got your degree.
Yes, in life sciences.
And then, how do you get into modeling then?
then modeling.
Yeah.
So as I was doing my degree, I started modeling. I started working down south because of music videos. I got my first.
So it all happened very
films.
quickly?
Very quickly, in a span of 1 year.
So you just started modeling and then some offers came immediately?
Yes.
Because you're very pretty.
And as I was
There are
modeling,
ugly women who don't have this story. I know these ugly women. Very, very sad stories.
You're
They're
so,
also looking
so
for work.
bad. How can you call people ugly?
Life is not fair. Isha, life is not fair. You're studying life science, you know that. Now, one rat and another rat, there's a difference. It's not exact.
No, rat is a rat.
No, that's,
What,
no,
one
that's
rat,
racism.
another rat.
That's ratism. Stop that. Yeah, they're very different. Where were we?
You've actually gone and seen a rat different from the other.
Of course.
Really?
You can't tell. I mean, I know
The
species.
small rats and the big rats,
Okay,
but they're
stop,
rats.
Stop that.
Okay,
Yeah.
go on. Stop rattling.
Where were we?
Rats?
No, I got it. I remember. In 1 year, you got your offers. No, firstly, you were doing ads, right? You were doing ads and modeling, normal modeling and all that. And then somebody from the south.
My first movie was Kadal Kavidai and N. Swasakatre, for which I won a Filmfare
That's also
Award.
there. That's also there.
Yeah, that's it. That was my first. N. Swasakatre was Arvind Swamy.
Oh, the Bombay guy.
Yeah,
with the
so
Oscar
cute.
film.
And the same combination, Arvind Swamy and A.R. Rahman. Music.
Oh, excellent.
Excellent.
Wow. So you immediately got a big launch.
Huge.
Down
Yeah,
south.
huge.
Okay.
Yeah, huge.
So then, take us through your career then. After that.
And then after that, I did about 3 to 4 films there, and I wanted to come here, Bollywood. So I came to Bollywood.
So then you came back to India.
India.
Now the South is going to crucify me. I can't go back. Yeah. So then you came back, and which is the first Hindi film?
So I did Amdani Atthani Kharcha Rupaiya. That was with K. Raghavendra Rao. That I did when I was working down south. Because I was doing Telugu films and he was a
Right.
Telugu director.
Right.
So he saw me and he cast me for this. In this, there was Tabu, Govinda, Juhi Chawla, Vinay Anand, who was Govinda's nephew. Then there was Ketki Dave. That was
Right.
my first, actually, if you see, that
Hindi
was a
film.
South
But
setup, but a Hindi film.
So shot in the South only.
Ramoji Rao.
Oh, Ramaji
Hyderabad,
Rao.
yeah.
Lovely. Huh.
Yeah, everything was shot there, and then that was my first film. After that came Pinjar. When I was shooting for Pinjar in Jaipur, I came and shot same around that time. We had a break in our schedule. I came to Bombay and I shot Khalas.
Oh, so that was the
Yes.
first big one.
So that is how it happened.
That's how the project. But you
Yes.
also continued working in the South as well, right? Because there's quite a few movies there.
Yes.
So you
yes.
did both for some
Yes,
time.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. Because I was getting better content down south. Like really nice content. I did a film called O Nanna Nalle in Kannada, which
But
was
you try to you can speak Kannada. no?
yeah, Salpu Salpu Bartade.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Wow.
because I'm a Mangalorean.
You're a Mangalorean, correct. So
With
you can speak a lot of
Konkani
Konkani speaking, little bit of Kannada, you
Kannada.
can speak Marathi, you can speak everything.
Yeah.
And
I
down
can speak
south?
Guju.
Gujarati because of Parsi.
Yeah,
Wow,
Parsi.
you're damn good. You
I
can
know.
speak anything.
I know.
You're a real Indian.
Yes, I am.
BJP. Well done. So you don't have to dub in many of these films.
No, I don't have to.
Wow. That's amazing.
Kannada, I didn't have to, but in Tamil, I had to. Because Tamil and Malayali, I've not done a Malayali film yet because it's very difficult to speak Malayali. But Tamil also, they didn't let me, Tamil, Telugu, they didn't let me dub. Because to speak and to lip sync is okay, but to actually get the right.
I want to make up to the South listeners.
Kya?
I want to point out that you don't speak Malayali. You meet a Malayali, you speak Malayalam.
Malayalam.
I just want to put
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Chalo, finally I look.
Finally, he looked intelligent.
Yeah, otherwise, I mean, what film, where?
Yeah, Malayalam.
Yeah.
Malayali are the
Yeah.
people.
But considering that there's so much talk about Malayalam cinema right now, as being the most forward in all that.
Yeah, because the best scripts come from there. Like Drishyam was also from there, which eventually went into every, I think.
And they don't have this superstar culture, or they do have it to some extent, or what would you say?
Of course they do,
No,
but
I mean
they're the
trailers.
superstars.
No,
I
know
told you,
Mohanlal and
stop.
Mammootty are
In the
gods
south,
and all that.
they're God.
But I'm saying that they won't have 7 trailers. Or this.
I didn't see. When I was working, I didn't see anybody with 7 trailers. One van. That's it.
There you go. All right, we'll take a quick break and then we'll come back.
Thanks.
10-second break, yaar.
Oh, no.
We'll re-examine the content. We'll go through some more
Yeah,
movies.
please
There's
check
some
if your
big
stats
films.
are appropriate.
Yeah, we'll come back in exactly 10 seconds.
Okay.
Anything else you want to talk about now?
No, थोड़ा production value बढ़ाओ और मेरे को black coffee दे दो बस.
It's asking for too much. We'll take a break.
It's time. Create the life you've always dreamed of. Join me, Ashton Doctor, on a journey of self-discovery, productivity, and wellness. In just a few minutes, we'll bring you practical insights and actionable tips to help you build positive habits that stick. Tune in to The Compounding Mindset, brought to you by Access Mutual Funds. Subscribe to the podcast now and start your transformation today. Don't wait. Do it now. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.
Isha and I had a discussion in the break to discuss the statistics and make sure we get the right films out. And there's a little fight between Shreya and Isha, which I had to separate them finally. Shreya insisted because it's there. Now, what do you do when they write this in or whatever on the Wikipedia or the Google? How are you going to fight it? See how I said on the Wikipedia and the Google.
You don't fight it.
Only 60-year-old men
anyways.
talk like that. Huh?
You don't have to fight it. It's written now. क्या कर सकते हैं? But I've not done it.
Okay. So just for the record, not done it. But what she has done, and correct me if I'm wrong, Company, which is a fabulous film, 100%. Dil Ka Rishta with Arjun Rampal. And you had a role in Kargil, LOC Kargil
Yes.
also.
Yes, JP Datta.
JP
So,
Datta. And
yes.
Hum Tum with Saif.
Yes.
And Dawn with SRK.
And many more. क्या cool है हाँ. Krishna Cottage.
Yeah, bloody. This is really showing
Shabri.
off. So, ठीक है मैं.
एक विवाह ऐसा भी.
प्यार इश्क और मोहब्बत and
Yes.
okay, there we ended it. I think
see?
she got tired.
सब
How many films have you done, Isha? Actually, you've done a lot.
जो लिखना चाहिए वो लिख
I was
लिखा.
telling them before you came also that there was a period where you were doing a lot of films. I remember interviewing you 3-4 times in a short period because there's so many films coming out. It's probably the same company.
What a time that
company
was.
onwards.
क्या
That
organic
2002.
फिल्में
yeah.
थी उस वक्त.
हाँ.
ये तो कसम से.
Which are your favorite? Top 5 Isha Kubikar films? Tough, I know, tough. But it doesn't have to be how it turned out.
कृष्णा कॉटेज क्या कूल है हम एक विवाह ऐसा भी डॉन शबरी
Oh, fast. Not Company.
company yeah because that was a monster of a song yeah yes of course that was like a launch pad
Yeah. So at that point, I thought Mr. RGV was making some great films.
yeah he
And
was
something went wrong
I
here
did
and there.
Darling I did Hello Darling and Hello
Yeah.
all three
Uh,
Darling was Fardeen Me Aisha
yeah.
Hello Darling was Gul me and Selena Jaitley and Hello was me Amrita Arora and Gul and Salman it was Vivek
Shreya.
So, Atul Agnihotri film, my bad.
But totally, how many Hindi films would you have done?
I've done about 30.
30 odd, at
30,
least.
40, yeah.
Yeah. And also
South.
Marathi, also South
Yeah,
ka all
South,
four.
South I've done about 10 films.
not all four, three.
Marathi I've done 2. 40, 40, 50.
So what's left is Hollywood now.
Yes.
Huh?
Soon.
Oh, okay. We are so West Indian. Did you see how we did that? I mean, that's class, yeah.
That's tuning.
This JB Vachal students meeting after
Again,
many
again,
years.
again.
So kare ja. Yeah. Okay, but there's lots of things to talk about. Now, they want me to ask you about the heroes. I'm not particularly keen.
What about the heroes? Ask.
The experience
The
working.
Aarti is going to do.
No, but she won't say anything bad. Are you going to say anything bad?
No,
Why would you
nothing.
say
I just don't know how to say bad things about
yeah,
people.
yeah. No, but unless they've done really bad things, why are you going to say bad things anyway?
I will not. Acha, that way, heroes I've worked with?
Yeah, she's
Never.
very fond of Shah Rukh. She wants
I
to,
love Shah Rukh.
yeah.
What do you want to know, darling, about Shah Rukh?
Yeah.
What?
What was it like working with him, basically?
Superb.
Just tell her. She wants to know. She's a big
Great guy, very, very classy, amazing with women, very comfortable to work with him. Amazing in a nice way,
I know.
Cyrus. You always don't have
I'm
to.
sorry. I apologize.
Yeah.
I'm very fond of him. Yeah.
And the kind of respect that he has for women is shown off screen, and
True.
off
Yeah.
and on screen. So I never even for a second felt that he is the legend, the superstar Shah Rukh Khan.
Can you call him?
Where? You want him for your show?
Yeah.
Why should I
But
call
you
him?
call
You call
him.
him. And
You
tell him
know,
what?
because
That Kairos wants you on his
Yeah,
show.
if I call him, he'll think it's
हो
Zomato.
गया मेरा काम उसके बाद मेरा फोन उठाना ही बंद कर देंगे वो.
Come on, Isha. you can do this for JB Vacha.
JB, okay,
This much you can do.
Okay,
So
I'll
just have it on record. She's going to call Shah Rukh
I'm
and try and get him on the
SRK,
show.
please.
Yeah.
आ जाओ.
He'll say yes to you and then never turn up for me. Which is
Yeah.
fair. Which is fair. Who else was there? Every Salman you worked with. Sunil Shetty you worked with.
Yeah, I did LOC with Sunil.
He's a lovely
Ranna.
guy.
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah.
And then I did there was another film. क्या नाम था उसका? Mani Shankar's film.
You're asking my team.
I'm asking you, team.
After the
I'm
performance.
I'm brain fogged right now.
Yeah.
It was a very like a futuristic film in that time,
Sci-fi?
Science, yeah. Mani Shankar's film, देखो ना आरती. Mani Shankar, there was Sanjay Dutt, there was Bipasha, there was Sunil Shetty, Rudraksh.
Rudraksh.
Yeah. Rudraksh.
Did
See,
that-
not mentioned, no? See?
Why is that not mentioned? And it's something you liked. There's something wrong with the internet industry and we have to get to the bottom of it. And we're going to do this after your show. We'll clean this all up. Yeah. Sunil Shetty. So what is he like? Everybody likes Sunil Shetty. He's one of those guys that nobody says a bad word.
Yeah, he's sweet. He's like very, very friendly, very sweet.
And South Bombay.
And not at all, I've not seen any tantrums. In fact, honestly, Cyrus, I don't remember seeing anybody throw
Misbehave,
tantrums,
yeah.
misbehave. Really, I haven't.
Except on this podcast.
Who's misbehaved?
Me.
So, you're a different kind of a star, yeah.
Correct. Yeah.
So, I really haven't. Or maybe they have not with me.
Girls, the ladies, females?
Never had a problem.
No.
I think
and
it's
you've worked
about
with many
me.
of these star casts with
Yeah,
3-4 of them
Aishwarya,
together. Generally, they always...
Karishma, Urmila.
No, Serena, Gul, you, Amrita, all these.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah,
so many-
yeah,
I'm
yeah,
saying
yeah.
there's a
Yeah.
chance is there for a little bit of competitiveness and
yes.
scrapping and all
Yes.
that. Not at all.
Never. Strange, no?
Yeah.
I don't have any. Like when the press also used to ask me, like, paparazzi, ki kya hua, gossip. Nahi hai mere paas gossip, yaar. Because sometimes I feel I just go with a clean slate without any. If you've told me something about somebody, I don't go there with those preconceived notions. And I think it is when you vibrate with a positive energy. Without having any biased opinions about somebody, I think you get that kind of a response from that person.
But also there's a way to bitch, na, Isha, which we should share with people. You don't have to like do it behind their back and all. I feel if you want to really make your point and yet be friends, you say like, hey, come on, Amrita, that's all rubbish acting, yeah. What is this? And then it's all good.
Yeah.
That's my technique.
Yeah.
I'm giving you this gift.
Yeah, I know, I
You're
have
gonna be a
this gift.
producer. But as a producer now, you're going to have to talk to people like that, right? Because now the whole thing is on you.
In fact, I should have the gift of, diplomacy, which I don't have. I call a spade a shovel.
But then how are your friends in Bollywood?
I don't have many friends in Bollywood.
Who's your best friend?
I have very few friends. Like Sonu is a very dear friend. Sood, I have Tushar.
Okay.
These are...
Kya cool hai
Yeah,
hum,
kya cool hai hum. And Tushar said your best acting was Golmaal because you were not speaking. Whoa. He's like, tu shola. I'm like, tu shola. So, he's a very sweet boy. Very, very sweet boy. And who else? These are the only two that I can think of. Amongst girls, I don't think I have many friends in the industry.
See, no friends amongst the girls. This is very, very
I
fair.
have, most of my friends are non-filmy, as in they are very filmy, but not from the industry. They're more filmy than the film stars. But they're
So
not
you're one of
from the
those
industry.
film actors when you would come home and it's behind
It's my
you.
job. Yeah, it's a
over.
9-to-5 job.
Yeah.
Yeah, 9-to-5 job.
You
Absolutely.
didn't attend the parties and all that?
Never.
Oh, damn it. So no gossip also?
No.
Sad. Then it's time to talk politics. So how did you get into this whole BJP spokesperson thingy?
It's just like Modi ji's governance. That's it. Honestly,
But they
I never
reach
thought.
out to you, or you reach? How does one apply? Like if I want to apply for the job, how do you know that there's a job there? Of course, you're very popular, etc. I understand.
So I
that.
knew Haji Arafat Sheikh, who was the president of this Nav Bharat Shiv Bhatuk Sangatna, and at that time he was the Minority Commission Minister in Maharashtra. So through him, I got my pravesh in BJP. And I remember this was in 2018. And then after that, in 19, pretty much after that, we were not in the state. Then came...
True.
Yeah.
The pandemic, you were not in the state.
And then COVID happened.
Yeah.
So, pandemic, we were not in the
UBT
state.
was in charge.
Yes, Shiv Sena.
Well, the mixed.
Mixed.
Few of them.
Mix was later, no?
In between. Yeah.
So then, so now I'm only taking care of this.
The women's transport
Yeah.
thingy.
Yeah, thingy.
Okay.
But honestly, I'll
You
tell
get
you...
paid?
No. No, I don't. So
How can I work for government if I'm not getting paid? No? You should get paid.
That's true. Because it's not a post that the government is giving you. It's just it's a Sanghatna. It's very different.
What does that mean exactly? So you
So tomorrow if I get a post of an MLA or an MP then I'll have to give up this post.
No, but this post means that you're helping women have a better sort of situation when it comes to transport.
Yes.
Not just from job point of view, but just actually in the transport.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So then if I'm a woman, I can complain to you? How does it work?
No, they also come with different kinds of complaints, but I have to filter and see what kind of complaints to take. They have to be more transport centric and they have to be valid as far as my
Your
scope of work
Yeah.
is concerned.
Yeah. So will you stand for elections, but
Not thought of it, yaar.
have they asked you?
No.
But why not?
I
You're already-
I'm
you're
back
halfway
after
there.
10 years. I want to work now. Really
But you can
honest,
continue working. Lots of Bollywood stars became MPs or MLAs or whatever and continued shooting and hardly went to parliament and all. It's not an impossible
Yeah,
thing.
but I can't do that. Now, see, I got married and I had Rihanna for 10 years. I was like 90% into the family. That was my commitment.
This is which
I can't do
period?
this and this and
This is
that.
from,
2009 to 2000, now to 22, 23.
Okay.
So I've hardly done any work. I didn't do any movies, Hindi movies. I did more of South. I did 1 or 2 OTT web series. That's all I did. Rihanna was born in 2014. Now she's 11 years old. So she was like, Mama, now I can take care of myself. Now you start working.
So what are your rules for motherhood? I was reading that. I'm telling you, the only research I really did was reading that article.
Oh. There are no rules as such. I mean, I would just think that
I don't remember what you said.
what did I say? Tell me.
You know that you've got, I don't know, the way they studied the subject, you see it from their perspective and things like that. Yeah.
I don't remember this. It
Oh.
was my interview that you read?
Isha, I'm not Shreya.
It is not like the Wikipedia, no?
No. I've read it correctly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Um,
But you were giving tips without actually giving tips. So it wasn't like a tip 1, tip 2 like that. But it was like that. How you were dealing with, I think your daughter came home from school and told you something about some subject or something like that. And, how you have to listen more, etc. Let me not tell, you tell.
No, I don't remember this particular thing, but I don't have any rules. I just, all that I honestly try to instill in her is values. I think how to make money and all just will happen whenever it has to happen. That's her destiny. But when she has to study, she has to study. And there has to be respect for your elders, for people. And no forced relationships.
She's 14.
No, not those kind of relationships. तो तेरा दिमाग ऐसे ही चला जाता है.
Baba.
I mean, you don't have
You don't understand.
to...
You're a woman. I'm a man. So
sorry.
I know what men are.
So yeah, no.
So that's,
what
and I have a daughter.
mean is
So my
because somebody's related to you doesn't mean you have to feel a certain way. I don't impose.
Okay, now I'm confused. If someone,
I think everybody here has understood except you.
if someone is related to you, you don't
See now, suppose
like a cousin.
yeah, like if you have a cousin or if you have a mama or a chacha or a chachi and there's special days, suppose there's an anniversary or there's a puja in the house or there's a birthday, I will tell her, Rihanna, this is a very important day and you have to be there. Okay? Period. I'm not going to tell her he is your relative and you have to feel this way and you have to love her or him. I think children are attracted to happiness, they're attracted to love, and they know their safe place. We all do. So I don't force things on her. If you want to, for example, if she wants to be with some of my friends versus her grandparents, I don't say, no, you have to go and be with your grandparents. I'm like, fine, you want to be with your friends, you can be with your friends. Love can't be forced.
Very good point. I think I absolutely agree with you. I think too many people just force this family function, what they call, and we have
I
to
have
go
gone
family
through that.
commitment. It becomes too much, and then you resent it as a child.
I have gone through that. Hanga function as a what's kachi, thai function as a have to go. Thai mama le, uncle le, you know, Konkani, Saraswat clan. I don't do that with Rihanna. Yes, it's an anniversary. It's a milestone. Like recently, it was my uncle's 75th. Rihanna, you have to come. You like it or not, you have to come. It's once in a while.
But she doesn't have to like him. She just has to attend as duty.
Whatever, yeah. But Rihanna is an old soul, a wise child. And I'm really thankful and grateful to God. I will not say it's only my upbringing. I must have really done some good karma in some lifetime to have given birth to a child like this. At this tender age of 11, she understands much more than the others I've seen around. So she is a very loving, caring, empathetic, compassionate child. There's not much I have to tell her. She just understands what to say, when, to whom, how.
But does she know you're a star and all that?
Of course she does.
And does she like your movies? Has she seen the old movies?
She's seen some.
And what does she say?
Nothing. She says, Baba, you're slay. You're a slay queen.
No criticism ever.
No, nobody can say
Not
no
about
wrong.
about the outfit.
Nobody can say nothing wrong. Yeah, of course, if I sometimes wear something and it is not her gen type, she says, no, Mama, I don't like it. It's like, yeah, I think you look cool in cargos and a crop top. I'm like, okay, fine. But I have to wear this now.
But you think she'll get into this?
She wants to become a criminal lawyer.
Wow.
But
This is because of the effect of Bollywood.
I don't know. But I don't know if she will become one. I'm not going to force her. I'm not one of those that you have to
She's
do.
only 11, Baba. You can't think so much ahead.
She wants to become an actor, B. You want to become a pilot. You want to become anything, do what you want.
I think at this generation or whatever the generation they are now, they have a chance that we probably didn't have of doing something and then failing at it and doing something else.
Yeah.
Which I think in the way we were
Yeah,
brought
in
up,
ours
there
it
was
was either PCB or PCM,
correct.
engineer, medical.
Yeah.
Bus.
And there's no second
Yeah,
anything.
there's no,
you just, this is it, you have to do it
Yeah.
and that's it. See how much we've suffered. Nobody understands.
Yeah.
Okay.
We've really...
No, we have.
We 100% we have. And we didn't have so many options. Now these kids have theatre and so much happening in their school. They can do anything.
Insta star, influencer.
Yeah,
blogger. How many kids say blogger,
Yeah.
influencer?
Yeah.
I would get a heart attack.
Yeah.
What
Sitting
kind
at home and earning e-commerce.
Yeah.
घर पे बैठ के पैसे बनाओ.
It's embarrassing. You earn more than you in 3 days. It's not right. Okay, before we wind up, let's talk about Rocket Ship.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
Okay, which is okay. You tell us. I've done little research, so I know.
Thank God. At least it's ending
young,
with something that has a little bit of research.
This young boy, Isha. We have. No, you've heard her. This young lad who does our sound.
That's my sense of humor, Shreya.
He's from Whistling Woods.
Oh, he?
Yeah.
Oh.
He was auditioned by Subhash Ghai.
Oh, nice.
Personally.
Okay.
How was that? Very enlightening.
Okay.
Awkward pause. I look at you, you look at me.
So, no. So...
First, tell us what the whole concept is. No?
I'll tell you, it's a diploma film. And...
but shot properly.
Yeah, beautifully. I just saw the trailer yesterday. They're going to launch it very soon. Whistling Woods, it's not only about acting, right? They teach you production, they teach you direction, there are actors, everything. Post-production, everything is taught. Depends on what you want to choose and what you want to learn. So accordingly, they graduate. They do their diploma. So these students came to me and they said that it is our diploma film. And ma'am, we want you to really help us because the whole project will be just elevated. So I said, sure. But first, I want to listen to the script. And as I would like it, it was about a mother and daughter. So, and I have a very...
Parallel sort of universe.
Yeah, it's about a single mother and a daughter and their bond, and it's very, it's very emotional, very beautiful. And
Who wrote it?
their own writers.
Oh, wow.
Everything. The DOP is theirs, direction is theirs, costume is mine. मैंने बोला था मैं ही spot हूँ.
Budget?
No budget, zero budget,
So
but their budget.
So they got a star to act in their film and enhance the project.
Yes.
But the budgets were all
Nothing.
college budget of.
Yeah. They had a budget only to make that film.
Right.
X amount, whatever was given, just to make that.
And
because they have their in-house setup of editing and post-production. जहाँ पे उनको almost
save
FOC,
that.
they save. So money saved is money
Where do
made.
you shoot then? Because
We shot in Whistling Woods. And yes, a bit was shot in Whistling Woods and a bit was shot in mud. For that they had to pay. So the
who
budget that
pays?
is...
How do you get the money?
The Whistling Woods gives them a budget.
Okay.
Do, teen, char, yeah. Whistling Woods gives them a budget. But that budget is
How
not
nice
enough.
of you to do the film for them.
I know, I'm very nice. Because I didn't have that kind of platform where, or a godfather who said that, Isha, so my heart just goes
You're
out
also
to
lucky,
these.
Isha. Na? A, you're nice looking. B, somebody saw you when you were modeling. Everybody doesn't have that track.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's why the poor Whistling Woods guys came to you and, okay, go on.
And then we shot this in 2 days.
In 2 days?
Yeah, we shot it.
How long is the
It's a
film?
short film. It's a 25-minute film. And they
That's
want to
not so
send it
short.
to the and they want to send it to the festivals.
Right.
And now a lot of platforms, OTT platforms also show. A lot of short films are streaming
Right.
on Netflix and a lot of other such portals. So let's see. They probably want to give it to one of those.
Mother-daughter
platforms.
relationship.
She's
a
a
single
5-year-old.
mother,
Yeah, she's
a young child. And it's what, dealing with all the problems that...
It's not
occur.
problems. No, it's
Just
about
the life.
It's about a slice of life. It's
Is it a happy film?
It's very happy. It's very cute. It's laughter. It's LCD. So it's got a little bit of everything. There's drama. There's a little bit of laughter.
So how do they handle you? I mean, you're a big name and all.
I handled myself.
Can they tell you how to act? Can they tell you they want it this way, that way, the director or the group?
I would love to, but they didn't need to.
Yeah.
See, that's the only way that you can be different and versatile is when every director shows you his vision rather than you trying to play your image. Understand? Then I stay Isha Kopikar in every film.
True.
I'm not that character.
Also, there are like brand new minds coming in. Sometimes maybe they're
What
very,
talent.
it's like touched by anything else. So the vision is very clear sometimes.
Yeah.
Because first time they're doing something.
Yes,
and- yeah.
they're completely impregnated with fresh ideas.
Not the word I would like to use, but a word that
Sky,
makes us highly
really.
uncomfortable. not a word that these young men of Bandra police station के बिल्कुल सामने studio लगाए.
Thank God.
बिल्कुल सामने.
तो-
You can't even.
And they have very fertile imaginations.
Oh, stop it. Speak 7 languages, but this is the language.
That's JB Vacha
Yeah.
for you.
JB Vacha, there you go. Good education. No, but before we go, so then what else is on the plate now? You're going to be you're producing your own films.
Yes, I'm producing my own films, and now finally, in the last 1 year, I managed to meet a whole lot of people ever since I've decided that I want to start acting.
But when
and
you
I want to
stopped
start
acting, were you hungry to come back? Or were
Yes,
you like, I
was.
don't ever go back?
No. I wanted to come back.
Yeah.
But I just felt that once you marry and once you marry out of the industry,
Right.
you kind of, your chances become a little grim.
Especially it's a gender bias thing.
And when you marry to somebody from the same fraternity, it's still easier because they understand your job. People who are not in the same industry just don't understand what a vanity van is, what is pre-prod, what is post-prod, what are your timings, and there's no schedule, and tomorrow's a shoot, and today they're telling you that you have to come at this time instead of this time. We understand that. But people who are not from this industry don't. So I just felt that, there were a lot of, I take care of the family first. Then I became a mother. So I said, within whatever that I can manage, I'll manage. So I did, and then now I'm back.
Bigger and better than before.
I'm getting some nice scripts. So when they happen, we'll talk. I'll come back.
So you'll act as well and you'll produce your
I'll
own
produce
stuff
as
as well separately. Two
See,
different
not
things.
necessary. Whatever I produce, I cast myself in the same.
Yeah.
I don't want to be one of those producers. मैं अपने लिए फिल्म बनाऊंगी नहीं. मैं फिल्में बनाऊंगी. अच्छा कंटेंट बनाऊंगी. कंटेंट के लिए जो necessary है वो करूंगी बस.
So you're just looking at scripts is what you're saying first.
Yes.
Yeah. And not about the star that you have to cast and all that.
If I need a star, then I'll cast a star.
You want to save money?
You want me to cast him? Thank you. That
No
was
trailer,
coming.
Aarti.
I
No trailer.
knew that was coming. He'll come in his own car. You'll bring your own
car.
food, your own clothes.
Own food and all. Come on, you at least feed me. I own food and all. Clothes I will get. Come
Okay,
on.
I'll feed you black coffee.
You've done a quality project for 25 minutes with kids, okay, with no money, shot in 1 or 2 locations in 2 days. So obviously, what people think about shooting for 400 days and 7 countries and all is not a necessity.
400 days?
No, but some people shoot for a whole year to make a film sometimes. And they
yeah.
shoot over 5 continents and 30 locations.
That's
and all
not
that.
like 365 days, yeah? It's like a few days here and maybe a break in the schedule and then,
But I'm saying that it's also possible to make a film in just a room sometimes. It'll still be entertaining or interesting.
Yes.
Like, I'm trying to support you and you're attacking me.
No, but you're absolutely right.
Yeah.
You know what you're saying? I think what has happened right now is because...
Subject, the script.
Yes. That's why nobody's going to the theatres.
Like if we make a film about 2 people who are on death row.
You remember you'd seen Con?
Con?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fantastic. I think there's an Alfred Hitchcock film also in one room. I can't remember the name. I'm pretty sure there is. He's just shot in one room.
Yeah,
But
there was one called
thriller.
Phone Booth also.
Phone Booth. There you go. Did we do a Hindi version with Nana Patekar and...
I don't know.
Did we do a Phone Booth?
Then there was one in
Ajay
one
Devgn.
house, The Others. See, that was
Yeah.
a scary film.
The Others. Oh, that was damn scary. You know the twist at the end? Oh,
Superb.
so see, one room.
One house.
And one group of actors. I mean, there's no extras. That's it. I mean, in a way, there is more, but...
So that's what content is king.
Content is king, and that's the lesson we get from this podcast today. We've learned. Look at this guy; he's nodding his head off.
Isn't it?
Whistling Woods.
You ask all these freshies, all these little boys and girls who've just, out of their film schools, I mean, wherever that...
Bichara, he came with dreams in his heart and head, and then he's stuck here.
Make heroes.
Yeah,
Launch people who become heroes.
yeah, and then never talk to them
It's
again.
very...
Sorry, you're giving good advice. Please tell him.
and
I
then-
mean, this is the future. This is the future. The young
then-
guys, you never know.
Yeah, and there are a lot of people. Subhashji did that, right? Every film he used to have
New
only new.
heroine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hero also? Hero no. Hero has repeated.
Vivek Mushran was new. Manisha Koirala was new in Saudagar.
Huh.
Of course, then he had Dilip Saab and he had
Rajkumar.
Rajkumar ji, and that. But
No,
these
fair
two were
point.
new.
Fair
Madhuri.
point. And before you become Amitabh Bachchan, nobody knows who you are. I mean, that's the whole lovely beauty.
See, not every person can become a Shah
fair.
Rukh or an Amitabh.
No, but I'm saying
Not
somewhere down the line.
everybody can become a Sridevi.
Right. What about a Cyrus or Kairos?
Not everybody can become a Cyrus. Okay?
Viral moment we've got.
बोल दिया यार तू बाबा
Government endorsed.
anything for बाबा.
Government endorsed. Yeah.
So it's but you can become other people, right? You are an individual in your own right. You don't need to copy. You don't need to be someone. You be yourself.
Also, if they start with these quality scripts and they start working with quality sort of people around them, and the whole star thing goes out of the window a little bit, and they're just more happy about the project.
Yes.
I think if they keep that mindset, I think we'll be able
And
to
I think
work like-
eventually it's going to happen, 100%. I think we've already hit rock bottom. Industry right now is not what it used to be. I think now people are looking at tweaking projects in a manner, creating projects in a manner. It's more sustainable where you know that अगर hit भी होगी, अगर flop भी होगा तो इतना loss नहीं होगा. बहुत ज़रूरी है ये. And I think we need single theatres. We definitely need single theatres
But
other
all
than
this from a money point of view.
multiplexes. Yeah, but
cheaper ticket.
yes. We need cheaper tickets. हमारे actual audience वही है, वही रिक्शा वाले,
Can
वही
you-
taxi वाले, वही
Yeah, and also it affects middle class also. It's not fair to say only one group of people is being affected. It's too expensive. I can't take my kids for 4,000 rupees to Inox. For 4 people with popcorn, it's I'll make a film in 8,000. It's ridiculous. I mean, they almost did with you.
Not 8,000, yeah. What 8,000? Lakhs. Couple of lakhs.
Where do the kids get a couple of lakhs?
I told you, Whistling Woods gives it to them.
Wow, I'm going to Whistling Woods. You're going to hang outside with the camera?
They sanction a particular budget. And it's not one film. They make about 8 to 10 films.
Oh, okay.
And a particular budget is sanctioned.
Okay. But now the same guy.
8,000 में क्या film
What is the
बनेगी?
director's name? Who's like...
Arjun Menon, and the producer is Harman Rai Sehgal.
Okay, so Sehgal and Menon will come to you now.
Yeah.
With their first project.
Yes.
You'll have to say yes.
Yes.
Yeah, whatever happens.
If it's a good project, I will say yes. Sehgal to 100% I'll say yes. I know the boy. He's my friend's son.
Oh. Oh, that's how the whole thing happened.
Because he came to me saying that, Didi, do this. I'll show you. I said, even then I said, show me the script first.
Okay. Isha, just before we pack up, a personal request.
Because because the Whistling Woods kids didn't have access to me. The access was,
I was dying to know how that happened.
Yeah, so this was these people. Harman Rai Sehgal is my friend's son. He had access to me, so he said, "Didi, this is the
This is
director."
not very enterprising, you know, that you use whatever little way you have to reach somebody, etc. I like that.
Yeah.
There's certain hunger.
Yes,
You know.
that is what. So
Yeah.
when you have these new kids or these new actors, they have this hunger to prove themselves.
And no shame.
Rather than people who already have a tummy full
Correct.
and then they throw their tantrums.
Which is where we began the show. Sala trailer.
अच्छा वो वाले ट्रेलर जब तुम्हें ट्रेलर पहले बोला मैं सोची कौन से ट्रेलर की बात कर रहा है ये यार
Spoiled actors.
नहीं ट्रेलर वो वाला हम उसको वैनिटी वैन बोलते हैं
अच्छा,
आप
ट्रेलर
उसको
वैनिटी वैन क्या
ट्रेलर
फर्क है?
हाँ, नहीं वो ट्रेलर बोला फिल्म
अच्छा,
का ट्रेलर
का
समझा
फिल्म
मैंने
का ट्रेलर, I never thought of the double meaning है उसमें.
भाई बात समझ में एंड में
Like for example, Knight can be also a guy with a sword and a horse.
Knight in
correct.
Shining Armor,
Very
Knight
good.
in Shining Armor.
Correct.
Yeah, yeah.
Speaking of Knight in Shining Armor, before we finish, Abhay is trying to make a film. So how much will you charge, Isha?
I don't know. I need to know the script.
It's on Asaram Bapu, and he's
And you're Asaram Bapu.
well, I'm the young one.
I'm not interested in doing the film.
But talk to us, na? Let my admin come to you. Give us a figure.
अरे पहले स्क्रिप्ट बोलो क्या है
बोलो
बोला
यार
ऐसे
script.
हवा में क्यों बातें कर रहे हो यार
Script is like that only. There's
Like
a
that only,
There's an
then no.
ashram. Things happen.
No.
Not enough.
Not enough. Not enough.
All right, Isha. Thank you so much for
Thank
being here.
you,
I know you
Cyrus.
live only 5 minutes away.
Yes.
But thank you,
Thank you.
and we'll see you again.
मतलब you
with
say
your
thank
next
you only if I
release.
live very far ऐसा है
No,
And then?
I'm just saying that hopefully it's just 5 minutes away. Some
Yeah,
people
yeah.
have traveled hours and hours to come here, and I feel bad. Also in the rain, sometimes a lot of people had horrible journeys coming here. Guests coming from the airport and things like that. But on a bad day, you know, how Mumbai can get.
Yeah,
Nothing has
yeah.
really changed in that
yes
sense.
yes
Except I'm very pro coastal road.
lovely no
For South Bombay, it's a dream.
Very
22 Malabar Hill, next to the Chief Minister.
oh in Varsha next to Varsha
From your party. Yeah, very close. I'm literally. I did an event with him when he was Chief Minister earlier. I did an event where I asked him, can I use your, Varsha for my birthday party?
and so sweet
And he's so sweet. His answer is very charming guy,
Yeah.
Devendra Bhai. So he
Devendra Bhai,
just
yeah.
turned around and he said, what did he say? He said, see, you'll have to ask my wife because I cannot do anything in that house on my own. So you cannot do anything in that house on your own. We have to go through the system. He's a witty
so
man.
eventually you had your party or no
No.
okay
But can you call...
Amrita
No, Chief Minister Saab.
for your party
For the podcast.
as you want him for your podcast you'll have to go
Shahrukh,
through
just wait 5 minutes.
how
We'll
mean
do Chief Minister first.
okay
Possible?
yeah anything is possible कुछ भी हो सकता है दुनिया में have you seen Anupam Kher's play
Yeah. I've seen it twice, by the way.
Yeah, even I've seen it.
He even shouted at me and said, you came again. Yeah. Okay, we're done.
Okay, bye, see
Yeah,
you.
Bye.
bye
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो
प्लीज तमीज से बात करना है ना इम्पोर्टेंट पीपल यार